Hey guys, welcome to BONOSS Wheel Spacers unofficial channel. I'm Grace. In this video, let's talk about why you need to install wheel spacers on your vehicle. Let's go. Installing wheel spacers is a cost-effective way to keep the wheels you have, while increasing your track width. The BONOSS Lightweight Plus Wheel Spacer is further upgraded and optimized for weight based on the common wheel spacer. We call it Lightweight Plus under the premise of ensuring safety and reliability. It effectively reduces weight and energy consumption, thus improves control performance and achieves a balance between high performance and environmental protection. The hollow design makes the whole spacer lighter while ensuring safety. Compared with the previous product before the upgrade, the weight is reduced by about 20% on average, and the lightweight effect is more direct. Although Lightweight Plus costs an additional increase in production cost. For a better customer experience, we have assumed this cost and maintained the same price as the previous product before the upgrade. Installing the half-century wheel spacers can provide the higher stability. This design allows the spacer to be more fit on the wheel hub assembly and wheel, thereby reducing high-speed vehicle vibration. And the BONOSS wheel spacer can also be wheel adapted with different data, providing vehicle owners with more choice. If you want to get the BONOSS wheel spacers, please make sure to see the link down on the description. Thanks for watching and have a great day.